Hey Adam, it's Pete. Just trying to send you a demo of my book as it's kind of coming together. I kind of went back to the drawing board in some ways and decided to go after getting the responsive type design moving forward so that it could work on phones and tablets, just based on what we were talking about in class and your guys' reaction. So this is the first page. You see the control bar down at the bottom, and then if you like wiggle the mouse a little bit, you get this cloud action happening. So that'll be fun for the kids. You can sell a lot of books and buy a boat, hopefully. Then you got, this is your controls down here at the bottom. There's just the page. I'm probably going to take that out. And then instead of having the video in the book, which was like a gigabyte, I put this first one in up on YouTube, and it's just a link that opens up. This is the, title page, sort of, not title page, I don't know, kind of introductory poem thing. Well, what's cool about this, the thing I've really been working on here is getting this to size correctly. That's been a huge ordeal, but it's pretty exciting. So if I'm changing the screen, this is basically adapting, like this would be for a phone, like when you get this small, and it scrolls down instead. So you can find ways to some extent make things work. I took out, like you see this paragraph on the left. By the time I got down here, I was like, well, I need to cut that down. So I cut half the text out. But you still get the basic idea. Let's see, next page. The copyright page. Navigation. This is tough. See that little, these guys are, all these little hands had to move independently and adapt. It looks easy now, but it's definitely not. Table of contents. This is exciting too. SoundCloud has an HTML5 player, so you can drop. Right, I'm not going to actually put it here in the final product, but what it gave me was this timeline that we had talked about, where you can actually see, you can start at different places in the song, like we had talked about, so that you sort of found a new way to get the timeline that I wanted working. And it's on it's HTML5, and it's based on SoundCloud, so it also makes my file size a lot smaller. And then table of contents also comes down. There's no text in here yet. I had to take every picture out of the iBook and recopy it and move it over, and have to kind of rebuild everything with the text one page at a time. This is just regular text. Keep going here. Boring stuff. Teachers talking. Again, same thing here. Are you listening? It's the introductory chapter. Once you get down to the phone size, then you get this. There's also tons of little glitches, like this little G right here. But same thing here. Move over. Eventually, dog's had enough. He kicks the text down to the bottom. This one's good. It's pretty exciting. I had kind of shied away from the responsive idea for different devices, but I'm like, man, after, we talked about it, I was like, well, if I could get it to all devices, that's going to be pretty exciting. And then here's another kind of SoundCloud example. Let's put it here. So the kids would be reading this. I can put my logo here, which is cool. This text, I've had click boxes so that the pictures can give you like more information, kind of surprises here and there. So if you're on a phone, you get this. Medium-sized tablet, big tablet. Text. Same thing here. If you click on this, of course you can see that this is a highlight box, but it's not perfect yet. Get your video. So for the videos, it scrolls in, because you can't really cut off a video, resize a video. There's some more clicks here. So if you scroll over this or click here, you get this little information. All right. This one's, you can see this is like, it's just like weird font stuff that goes on. If you use certain fonts, this happens. It's not supposed to happen. This is what it would look like. You know. And like, see, yeah, this isn't supposed to. Yeah, I guess that's right. If you scroll over here, this is what you get on the phone. It's your video. Phone. You've got video controls here. So you can jump forward. Same thing, same stuff. Got a difficult example. Text is working basically. More places I need to drop a ton of text. I'm trying to think if there's anything else in here of major significance. I showed you the drag and drop stuff before. Alright, I think that's about it. Hope you have a good Christmas. And see you later.